Good afternoon. It's another beautiful Friday, and today we are going to be styling Sarah scarf or hat easy peasy way. So let's see how this goes. This is just the easy peasy way, and let's start. This is my scarf, and all I do is put my scarf on my head. And when you want to style this Sarah scarf, some people they use cardboard. I don't like to use cardboard. I just tie it freeway. You can use cardboard if you're used to cardboard, that's fine. But for me, this is the way I go. And to get that style, make sure you start from your forehead all the way to your eyebrow, and then lift it. Don't do like this. Lift it up. You see the way I lifted mine? Up like that. And you come to the back and just make a knot while it is still up. You see? And that's the first step. If you want it to come this way or slant this way, your choice. I want my own to be this way, so I pull it up. You see what I'm doing? Just covering, and this is a little bit up. I hope you see it. That way. And then you bring any of your hand and just put it across. This is the easy peasy way. So I'm just, don't forget the way I showed you to style your, you see what I'm doing? Put this, see? And then raise it up a little bit, you see? And to the back, just tuck it in. And to this one, some people, it's different style. You can come over and I will show you another style. You see the way what I'm doing, the same way you did for this. Just come over and plant it over it and tuck it in. Just tuck it in like that. And just arrange, just adjust. And since I want this to be up, I just push it up. I'll put this down. You see how easy it is? I love it. Easy peasy way, right? Or you can just pull this out and just roll to get more unique style. You see what I'm doing? And the same way. Okay, I need to roll a little bit more. You see the same way? And when you get to the front here, loosen it because you want it to be in the middle. And thereafter, just at the back. Thereafter, just adjust. You see this unique, another unique style? You see, and don't forget, push this up, push this down. You see it? And another way. Just roll and always, so that you make this go up. That way you can easily adjust the way you want your girly to go, or your scarf. You see, that's where you can put this one down, put this one up. You see it? Lovely, right? And for the back, you can just roll it. Or another way, clothes. And don't forget your hand here up. Tuck it in. And your hand down. You see? And adjust. Don't you like it? I need to make sure it's in very well. Now I'm tucking it in very well. Now we got it. And see? Which of the styles do you like most? I hope you love. Let me know which one you love most, the number 1, 2, or 3. Thank you and enjoy your Friday.